Hohem Mic 01 problems. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn. Today I'll have another episode of a review video, or not really review, just to talk about the issues I'm having with my Hohem Mic 01. This happened just after buying 7 months, so this is not even 1 year. So what happens? I was having a problem syncing this with my phone, and then it suddenly stopped syncing completely. So before, when I was having issues, it was still able to sync, but I had to just keep trying. But last time, what happened is it just doesn't sync anymore. And this has been only 7 months, and I'm still thinking whether I should call them or try to exchange it. But I'm so upset that I may not even call them or bother them. So I'm just thinking of getting a new Lark M2. But what I'm going to do, I'll show you what is the problem with this mic. So when you try to sync it, you have to connect it to your phone, the receiver. So here is the receiver, and I'm going to just put it on the phone, and you're going to see that this is going to start blinking, trying to sync. Now I'm going to take this out and just turn this on. And okay, so now you see that this is trying to sync, but it doesn't sync. Now what happens, if you have to reset the syncing, then you're supposed to press this for 3 seconds, and this button for 3 seconds. Now if I do that, nothing happens. So let's say I press them simultaneously for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Release. And you can see that it looks like they're trying to sync, but they cannot sync. And this just keeps happening, and I tried many different ways. So for example, I tried even pressing these two together, although in the manual it says you have to just press this one and this one for 3 seconds. But I tried every bizarre way to sync them, but nothing happens. And let's try them again. So I'm going to just what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this first, and you can see this is off, then put it back, and I'm going to press this for 3 seconds, and you can see that the flashing fast and it's trying to sync, but you can see that nothing is syncing. So I'm going to press this for 3 seconds, and you can see that it's trying to sync, but it's not going to be able to sync. And let's press this one for 3 seconds again, just to give it a benefit of doubt. But you see nothing happening. And now what happens, this purple color, you can see that flashing fast. The phone mic says that it's been synced. So I'm going to just open my camera, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So if I open the camera, and if I open the video, okay, and you can see that I'm getting the message wireless mic connected. So if I go to settings, and if I turn the mic on, so now you can see that it has a sign here that it is connected, although it is flashing purple. You can see that both are flashing purple. So this is connected. Now if I record something, it records. Actually the mic even works, but it has a very echoey metallic noise. So let's say I'm going to just talk here. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. Okay, so if I close it, and if I try to play this. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. Okay, let's listen. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. So you can see that it's synced a weird way, because the purple shouldn't be flashing fast, but there's too much echo. I'm not sure the camera can catch it, but the echo is so much that the audio is not usable. And at this point, I kind of gave up on this. So I don't know, if I'm going to call or contact Hohem or not. But definitely I'm not happy with the product, and I do not recommend it, buying Hohem Mic 01. And this is not even 1 year, just 7 months. So that was my issues or problems with Hohem Mic 01, and I'm contemplating buying Lark M2. And actually I just bought one piece as a gift, and now I'm just buying to think buying another piece. But really I'm upset with this Hohem Mic 03, and I may not buy anything from them again. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.